So it is TVK which gave a confession statement that we are the single largest party with 108 and we have got the support of another 5 more. So it's quite natural for the governor to ask where are the other 5. That's what he had asked. If TVK has gone ahead and said that we are the single largest party, call us, we will prove our majority on the floor, things would have been much more simpler. It is TVK which gave a confession stating that we have only 113 as majority or support. So the governor is duty bound to ask where is the remaining 5. That's what he had called today and he has told them, get your remaining 5 and come back. See, you need 118. There is one person who is 108 and that will go down to 107. Congress adding 5 is not going to save. What Congress has done is, he has put a hole on a ship, sailing ship, and it is he is letting the ship to sink faster. That's all I can say. Congress has added no merit with this alliance or equation or whatsoever it is, but it is up to the party. So I have nothing to say about the decision of Congress, the decision of TVK. But the general perception is, has the number added any merit or value? The answer is no. So it's a natural phenomenon that will happen because they were ideological alliance. That's what Congress claimed. And now, with the difference of opinion, the way Congress behaved has certainly created rifts, and it has created rough DMK on the wrong side. So that was not on the expected lines. However, every party's decision, the onus and responsibility lies on the party's high command. We have nothing more to say on it.